Hello friends, welcome to my channel Smart Life and Smart Home. This time I have brought this puzzle, and this puzzle is little harder than the earlier puzzles. This puzzle is having very peculiar method to solve it, because here you see these two rings are there and one U type of clip loop is there. Here the thing to observe is this particular loop U shape. This doesn't have any exit way to go out for any loop or ring to come out, because here they have provided one joint, but that is properly sealed and cannot be used for solving the problem. So this is a solid loop, you can say, and these two rings are there, and these two rings are hanging separately in the same U loop, and these two are having the openings. We have to decide and learn how to open and use this particular thing. So here first I will solve this loop, and then in the end of the video I will tell you how this particular openings are used, because they are the only method to be used, and not only once, many times they will be required to use. So here we can start here, but watch till end so that you get really insight of technique. So see this, as I told you, this particular ring cannot go out from this, and even if you turn here and there, try to solve it, it will not, because this they are in 90-degree opposite, these two loops. This is when this is the vertical 90-degree perpendicular to the plane, and this is horizontal loop, and this is possible because of the particular shape of this U clip. U clip is having one vertical pathway for a ring to go and one horizontal pathway for a ring to go. So what we will do, we have to solve this puzzle so that all these three links are separated, and we have already learned that this particular U clip is not having any opening. So I will use this opening of two rings. Now how to use that? So here we have to be cautious that inside the loop we have to brought the opening and then try to open it. So we have to do this opening by sliding the rings out of each other so that this opens up, and that opening, how that is done, I will give you in the end of the video how that is done, because once they are separated, then only I will be able to tell you and show you that how this is this. See how that can be done. So here once we have slided ring, so now you see this ring has come this side both, and this has become open end. So here this can be simply just slide and this can come out. Now these two rings are tangled into each other. So again we have to use the same technique to open it. So you see here, you slide it and these three rings are, you can see three elements, links are separated. Now the wonderful thing is, again we will observe this particular thing. This has got no opening which can be used for exit. This only one joint, this is the sealed one, and these two rings are identical, and they have the things. Reverse the process. So here you can see how we can use this. So I am putting this inside and this simply goes. Okay, this is going, this is, you can remove. So this is the method. We have put it like this, then join these two openings together at one place. Then we will insert this in a way that this goes in like this, and then we will try to open the ring separated, so that one of the ring will go inside it. This is like this, and we will put it like this. Okay, so let it go here, and then we will open slide the rings again, but that should happen, the sliding should happen inside this loop. If it goes outside, then nothing will happen. You will separate two rings and all the links will be separated. So we want this all. Let us put the ring inside. That solves the problem. So this is gone, but again we have to do is, because now still this loop is free, so we have to manage it this way, that we will bring the openings inside the loop and try to slide out the two rings, so that one ring which will got free will get entangled. Just keep watching. I am trying to open from one ring, because two rings, when they are open and separately available without this U-clip, it becomes easier for anyone to push it. But when it is inside the U-clip, you have to try it properly, then only it will get solved. It is getting slipped here and there but not getting out properly. And so here you can see that the three things as it was entangled inside the U clip has been done